let's be honest. Fractions. This is where many people give up. But today I'm going to show you that fractions are actually very logical, and that almost everyone makes exactly the same mistake. Imagine this. You have half a pizza. That is 1 divided by 2, and someone else also has half a pizza. Again, 1 divided by 2. Together you have 2 halves. That is 1 whole pizza. So far, everyone is with me. But then this happens. Someone writes 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 2 quarters, and thinks top plus top, bottom plus bottom, but that is not correct, and I'm going to show you why. A fraction is not 2 separate numbers. A fraction is one whole idea. 1/2 means you take one piece of something that is cut into 2 equal parts. If you have 2 halves, you have all the parts together. So 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 1, not 2 quarters, because 2 quarters is also 1/2, and that cannot be right. Now, the most important thing to remember. You cannot add fractions by simply adding the numerators and the denominators. That never works. If the denominators are the same, you only add the top numbers. The bottom stays the same. So far, everything works smoothly because the denominators were the same. What if the denominators are not the same? For example, 1/2 plus 1/3. First, you must make sure the fractions talk about the same whole. The smallest common denominator of 2 and 3 is 6, so 1/2 becomes 3/6, and 1/3 becomes 2/6. So 1/2 plus 1/3 is 5/6. If the bottom number is the same, you just add the top. If the bottom number is not the same, you make it the same first. If you remember this fraction mistake is gone forever. And then fractions suddenly become just logical.